Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to add status in WhatsApp. First of all, launch open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone, and then once you're in the chat screen of WhatsApp, go ahead and tap on the updates button at the bottom left. There you will be able to see add status button. Simply tap on add status. Now, go ahead and tap on the text button at the top left and then type in your status in the text box. After typing in the status, you can then go ahead and change the color of the background of your status by choosing from the color palettes option. You can also change the text style or font style by choosing from the bottom menu. Now where it says status contacts at the bottom left, you can go ahead and choose who can see your status. You can choose my contacts and add a contact or two under my contact accept, or you can also share it with a limited group of people by tapping on only share with and choose the contact you want to share your status with. After you are done, click on done and then click on the airplane icon at the bottom right corner. Now you have successfully set a status. Your friends can now view it for the next 24 hours. And that's it. You have successfully added a status on WhatsApp. You can share your moments, updates, or just something fun with your contacts all in a second. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back in the next episode. Thanks for watching.